Hello guys, I have created for Blinkit Hot Wheels stock checking. Whenever Hot Wheels is in stock, okay, when they are uploading the new stock on this Blinkit at your locality, for example, I'm in Chennai, I'm using some pin codes. So in this location, right, whenever they are posting some Hot Wheels, new Hot Wheels stock, automatically I will be getting notifications in Telegram. To get the notifications in Telegram, you need to create a bot. It's very simple. I have already created the video. Also, I'll be including in this video that you can follow and you can get the token. I have created some standalone applications so that you can run it with your Telegram API token so that you will be getting messages. So you can activate this app on your PC, okay, or if you're in office also you can execute this. So you need just internet connections. You need a basic internet connections, okay, at your home or in office. You can execute this app on your PC or laptop, okay. So do not skip this video, watch each and every steps because I'm going to execute that app now, okay. So I'll be providing the download link in the descriptions. So I have my own blog, okay, you can download this. So just go. So this is the mandatory video. I mean, at least for 30 to 40 seconds, you need to watch this, okay, because to unlock the download link, okay. So in this link, there will be a video that how to execute this app, okay, for your better understanding and how to get the token. You can watch this video. And once 37, right, you watch the video, automatically this get download button will be unlocked. And I want to be very honest why I am setting this 30 to 40 seconds video to watch means, see, I created this code, I worked this code for about 1.5 weeks, okay. So I put lot of effort, so I need to get some benefits. So I have my own YouTube channel, okay, youtube.com/hutwikisblog. So go through that. If you like, you just subscribe or just watch this video, that's fine. So to download this link, you need to watch at least 30 seconds. But this is a tutorial video only. If you are having any doubts, you can come back and you can check that. So once you click on this, right, automatically it will be downloaded. Once downloaded, right, you can extract on your folder. Any folder you can extract it. So already I have created, right, that on. I'm going to open it. It's a 4-table Telegram. I'm using it on my Windows PC and this is the app, okay. The first time once you download it, right, you'll be seeing only this and another URL, which redirecting to my tutorial page. So now I'm going to execute this, run as administrator. You can execute on your mobile and desktop app also of Telegram. There will be 3 files generated based on this exe file. First time it will be asking you to enter the code. So already I have copied the code. So this is my bot further. Go to bot further and get the token, API token. Copy that, okay, keep it ready. That's still loading. So friends, do not close this window, just wait for some time. First time it will create you to enter the bot, Telegram API token. So it's ran successfully first time, okay. So it will be creating 3 files, okay. So one is the log files. If you're seeing any errors, you can check on that. So why your app is not working, so you can check that. So going back to the exe file and first time, right, when you run this, automatically it will be closing. You need to open this config file, open in notepad. You need to paste your bot token here. So already, right, we have the token. I'm just clicking that to copy and I need to replace it again. I need to replace it. Guys, started working. Only thing you need to check this, okay, on this config file. So there should not be any space after your token, okay. And see, my script is running perfectly and this is the Telegram app and this is my bot and I'm going to give start, okay. So it is asking me to enter the zip code and also I have provided all the links, okay, useful links I have given here. Okay, even I have my own website of Hot Wheels selling, that also here mentioned. If you want, you can go, okay. But to buy MRP, I have just created this bot to check in Blinkit. So whenever that right Blinkit have off-field stock for MRP, automatically you will be getting buying link here. Okay, you can set the interval. I mean, you can tell the app to check every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, even 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can ask them to check it. So now I'm going to provide some Bombay link. Okay, Bombay is the URL. So sorry, this is the pin code 4,01,000. I'm entering it, and I need to set the interval 1 minute or 2 minute or 15, 30 or 1 hour or every 2 hours. You can check the interval. You can check the stocks. So now I'm going to give every 15 for tutorial purpose. I want to make it for every 2 minutes. Okay, so now it will be started checking. Guys, I'm going to make lot of bots, okay, for especially Hot Wheels. Whatever the website is available for Instamart, Zepto, or any other sellers, those who are selling, I'm going to create a bot. So subscribe my channel. If you like, subscribe. It is not a compulsion, but I'll be posting all the tutorial videos definitely in my channel. So that's why I'm asking you to subscribe, because you'll be getting notifications. So it started checking, friends. So 183 Hot Wheels found. See, wow. I think I will, I can see Ferrari also. Well, they have uploaded a lot of, for this zip code, always I'm getting in stock. But in my area, I'm not getting at all, okay. Fine, cool. Friends, now what you need to do is, I'm going to check any of this link. I'm going to click on it. And first thing, okay, why I'm asking you to miss this tutorial video, because whenever we are clicking the link, right, automatically the pin code will be taken from this cookie. So default location will be picked up. This is my default locations, but actually we searched for 4,01,000, right? So 4,01,000, we need to enter it, and here you can see the add to button is enabled. There is a lot of Hot Wheels, so you can buy. Last week I bought it Ferrari and Porsche using this app. So definitely easy, no friends. Example, if you want to change, right, this video is especially to explain how to use this. See, after 2 minutes automatically it started checking, but now I'm going to stop it. Always you can check the instructions here. I will also be updating every week or once in 15 days. So it stopped it. Okay. Second is started already. So that's why it is asking. So now I need to put start. I'm going to check on Andhra Pradesh now. You can click any of this link. Okay. 5006. Now I need to check the interval. Now I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. Also enable notifications on your mobile app. You might be blocking notifications on your iPhone or Android phone, but you need to go to settings, and the settings, select Telegram app and enable the notifications. Then only you will be getting the notifications. Otherwise, it will be under your app only. I mean Telegram app only. I use the zip code 5,06,000. Okay. So I am selecting this Hyderabad. This time it should be available. See, friends, really this is very cool app. Okay. I mean for Hot Wheel lovers. So just use it. Okay. And if you like my video, just like it and share to your friends. Not only you can search on your locations, you can tell your, you can forward this app to your friend to download on their locations, and they can execute and they can check with their pin code as well. I may ask my friend those who are in Mumbai, okay, I can ask my friend to execute this code, and wherever the Blinkit is there, right, Blinkit locations, Hot Wheels in stock, and they can order it. So definitely this video will be very much useful. Thank you so much. Also, I'm planning to come in live to explain this. This app will be a standalone app. Simply you can run it on your desktop or laptop. So there will not be any hindrance. Last week I launched this app on the cloud, but lot of people are using, so I'm getting too much of charges. Last week I paid around 2000 for this. So after that, right, I couldn't maintain it because lot of people are using. I cannot afford with their prices. And finally, I decided to make this app standalone and thought of sharing to you all. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. If you have any doubts, just put on this YouTube comment box, or even right in my blogspot is there and the website link. You can post your queries. If any error, I will fix it. I can get you to get Hot Wheels for MRP. So that's it, friends. Soon I will be posting for Instamart and some other apps wherever the Hot Wheels is available. So thank you so much. Bye. Take care.